Hello everyone. The study that I will be presenting to you is entitled Problems, Solutions, and Treatments Text Translation, a scientific study submitted to the Department of Linguistic and Translation Studies at the House of Wisdom by Kusai Madimutar and Jasim Rashid Halo, an educational and psychological research center in Baghdad University, Iraq. Translating text is a crucial method for conveying cultural and linguistic aspects of civilization. Translators must understand the culture and its linguistic background to accurately translate the text. The process involves linguistic overlap involving grammatical, syntactic, and semantic levels. The translator's duty is to transfer meaning or idiom from one language to another, ensuring honesty and accuracy. The process is complex and requires translators to be aware of the risks and potential errors which can lead to loss of rights and property. Translators' duty is as important as fighters' duty on the battlefield, as both bear heavy responsibility. So, here is the problem of the study. Translation involves tasks and issues faced by translators and specialists to ensure quality and meaning in the target language. Workable solutions are needed. Translating from the source language to the target language with impartiality, honesty, and accuracy is crucial. Mistakes can lead to rights violations and misunderstandings, so it's essential to avoid extraneous interpretations or additions. So here are problems, solutions, and treatment text in Translate Preface. Translation is an ancient science that provides scientific content that cannot be mistaken for a translated text or work. It has been around since civilizations emerged, opening the way toward cross-fertilization and education. Translation has played a significant role in the emergence of Islamic civilization, Greek culture, and a Western civilization, which borrowed sciences and culture from Islamic civilization. So translation facilitates coexisting among different peoples, creating understanding and bridges between them. It is considered extremely old and has a long history, contributing to the development of various cultures and societies. Translation involves translation of words or meanings from one source language to another. Literal translation is the most common type of translation that is often used by priests and Bible translators due to its accuracy and truthfulness. Second, semantic translation, also known as faithful translation, or it closely follows the source text. Next, communicative translation aims to make the recipient comfortable speaking both the target language and mother language. So there are two types of translations. These are indirect translation and direct translation. Direct translation can be borrowed, stereotyping, or literal depending on the target language's structure. So both types of translations aim to maintain the original meaning and avoid deviating from the original text. So as for the indirect translation, it focuses more on the meaning of the text. So next, translation is a very crucial process that involves transferring meaning or terms from one official language to another. Languages often contain implicit meanings due to linguistic overlap, which occurs at various levels such as grammatical, syntactic, and semantic levels. So when translation falters, it creates a significant gap between languages. So translators must focus on building bridges between languages to maintain communication between different societies, culture, and civilizations. However, challenges arise from discrepancies in language logic, meaning and methods, as well as ambiguity in the original language. So to solve these issues, translators must read the intended text extensively, decode it, and remove ambiguity. So good understanding and ability to express are essential for a translator to accurately comprehend the original text and transfer it into the target language. So in conclusion, translation is the expression of source language in another language, preserving its semantic, scientific, artistic, and stylistic characteristics. It is an ancient science that aims to produce transparent materials that cannot be interpreted as a translated work. The age of translation is ancient, linked to the emergence of civilizations. It is communication between two languages, not through a rigid linguistic position. Translation problems often arise due to discrepancies in language logic, meanings, and methods. So, to solve translation problems, translators must read the text extensively, decode its symbols, and understand the cultural and civilizational background. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye.